Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the FreeWolf X8 wireless gaming mouse. On the front of the package, we can see an image of the product right in the middle. We can see some FreeWolf branding on the top left. And on the top right, we can see a logo that says Cool Colorful Breathing Lights. On the bottom, we also see another logo that says Professional Game Equipment. On the left and on the right hand side, we can see some more FreeWolf branding. On top, we can see some key features which include a game chip, a cool backlight, a gaming only logo, and built-in weight block. We can also see some writing that says wireless charging luminous mouse along with the FreeWolf branding. On the bottom, we have some technical specifications. We have the model number, which is the X8, the color, and amongst the 4 color options, we have the metal gray color variant ticked. The wireless distance is 10 meters. Number of keystrokes, it is rated for 20 million keystrokes. Battery capacity of 600 mAh. Wireless technology, which is 2.4 GHz, a response speed of 150 IPS. Light effect characteristics are even colors breathing light, 6 keys, optical resolution of 2400 dpi. System requirements are Windows XP, Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, and other operating systems. On the bottom of the package, we can see the different color lights that are possible on this mouse, and we can see an image of the mouse once again. That's about it on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. We have an instruction manual that should show you all the different functions of the mouse and should help you get started with using the device. We also have a charging cable, and the charging cable has a micro USB interface on one end and a USB type A interface on the other. In terms of length, the cable is about 1.5 feet long. Getting to the mouse itself, we can see that it has a gray color to it, and we have some chrome accent on each side. It also has a few gills through which the lighting should shine out. The gills are also on the top, on the left and right button, and we have a scroll wheel that is in the shape of a gear, so that should give a really good response while gaming. We have the DPI button right underneath the scroll wheel, and clicking this will help you toggle between the different DPI options. We also have a FreeWolf logo right at the bottom. One thing to note about the mouse is that it has very soft clicks and you cannot hear the sound of the click when you do press it. There is also this gear-like accent on each side, but it does not turn. On the bottom, we have the optical sensor that helps the mouse function, and here we have a switch that can be used to switch on the mouse. Underneath that, we have the USB receiver for the mouse, and this end goes into a laptop or a PC. On top, we have the micro USB charging port as well. As we can see, the lights strobe and breathe and change colors automatically. It can be seen through these gills and even underneath the left and right clicker. We can also see it around the FreeWolf logo. So this has been the unboxing of the FreeWolf X8 wireless gaming mouse. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.